Hello friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will tell you and show you how you can easily add WhatsApp status on your iPhone. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments after watching the video and put likes. And let's get started with you friends. So, the process of adding WhatsApp status itself is actually very simple. But if you are a new user, it might be a bit difficult for you to master the process. And now I'm going to show you everything step by step. First of all, please open the WhatsApp app itself. Next, you will need to go to the very first option on the bottom left. Now at the top you will see My Status. What is a status anyway? A status is such a short story that lasts for 24 hours, and you can add a photo or a video or some text to it or create one for yourself, and so on. You'll need to either click on the plus sign at the top of the page to go to create that status, or click on the pencil sign. When you click on the pencil sign, you'll be on a page like this, where you'll have a background that you can change the color to match your own. Also friends, here you will be able to add text and choose the font you want. It goes like this. Once you've created your status, you can click on this option here, this button here to set it up. And if, friends, you'd like to add a photo or a video, then when you go to create the status, you're not going to choose text, you're going to choose a photo or a video. And here you will have a few options. First, you can either choose the photo and video from the gallery. To do that, you'll need to click right here. It will take you to your gallery where you can find the entire list of your photos as well as videos. And you can choose from the ones that you have in your gallery, or you can create your own photo or video at the moment from your WhatsApp camera. For that, you will need to click on this button to create a photo or video. And after, let's say, the photo is selected from the gallery, or you take it with your WhatsApp camera. You can also customize it a little bit. Let's say you can, friends, add text if you need to. Also friends, you can, let's say, add something here. Like this. Then, friends, you can flip your image a little bit as you like. And then, friends, you can also mention someone, if you want to, by clicking here. And after you've made all the changes to the photo or video, you'll also need to click on this button here to add the status further on WhatsApp. And again, the status will be active and visible for 24 hours after you add it. That's the way it is, very simple. Friends, you will be able to add status in WhatsApp on your iPhone with ease. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write your comments. Also be sure to put your likes below the video. See you soon, friends.